Welcome to Easy Learning.
Exercise number 170. In concluding my report, I would point out that there are many circumstances which will be taken into consideration on a future occasion, but of which it is considered unwise to speak now. One necessary conclusion, however, is that only in the manner I have indicated is it possible to arrive at anything like a true estimate of the motives of these men towards one another and to judge impartially of the letters which passed between them. The incident at the telegraph office is the most important. Full stop.